If you observe substandard print quality, such as blank pages, missing black or color ink from images or text with your standard, aftermarket, or refilled Brother ink cartridges, then it is first suggested to activate the cleaning command from the printer's menu. You may need to perform this action twice to help recover the printer. If this does not correct the print quality problem, then it is suggested to remove all 4 cartridges from the carriage. You will want to inspect each cartridge for leaks and then reinstall, verifying all cartridges properly lock into the carriage assembly. If an output quality issue persists, then it is suggested to print a heavy colored picture or image to see if ink can be blown through the internal printhead and hopefully resume normal printing. Depending on which color is missing, create a document with either 100% black or color blocks or 100% cyan, magenta, or yellow color blocks. Print the document 2 to 3 times back to back and check for normal print output. If each subsequent print starts to look better, then the internal printhead may be recovering. If a black or color printing issue continues, then you may need to inject distilled water into the respective color ink ports. Remove all 4 cartridges and gently apply 20 milliliters of distilled water directly into each ink port using a syringe with connection tube. Reinstall cartridges and retest after waiting 1 hour to see if image quality improves. For more printer usage and troubleshooting tips, refer to my other videos.